Pricing isn't static. It's a calculation of risk, margins, and market conditions. This is our risk-based pricing template, an example of dynamic pricing in DecisionRules.
Instead of one massive script, we modularize the logic. Here, you can see that we segregate new clients from existing clients before we apply other rules. This is a clean visual interface that allows less technical people to participate in the process. DecisionRules enables tech teams and developers to work in tandem in a clean, easy visual interface like this decision table. It's easy to come in and update values as well as add additional rows. This dramatically reduces the time to market as well as reduces the risk for underperforming loans. Transparency is also critical for dynamic pricing, and our test bench doesn't just give a result. It runs a full execution trace so you can see what factors decided on which outcome. We also keep a full execution and audit trail, as well as a history of any changes made to the rule itself. Implementation is seamless. You simply click on integrations so you can hit a versioned endpoint. You can easily A/B test, and deployment is a breeze. With this, you get sub-millisecond performance that scales with your business.
Move your pricing logic out of code and into the fast lane. Our team of experts is ready to help and discuss your particular use case. Book a technical demo today.